Okay.
Still cold.
And this is going to be the
Hence
final
the jacket.
unboxing of the 12 days of Christmas
Till we're all
from
done.
the Ginger Quilter.
We're all done.
Yes. We have
There's no
3.
more?
We have, stop. Okay, which one are we? I'm doing 10. There's 10.
Okay.
10. Did you want to feel it?
Yes.
Feels like,
Juicy.
first I would say,
Let me feel it first before you say what you think it is.
well,
can
what I
guess
think
too.
it is. And
I think it is.
you think it
This
is?
feels like it's full of thread. No.
It doesn't feel like thread.
I don't know. It feels like it has a hole in it, though. No, it's got a slit in it. I don't know.
Piggy bank?
I don't know. But it's 2 items in the one bag.
All right, let's see.
So it's a bonus item, right? I thought it was 1 gift per bag. And
And
they're not connected either. They're 2
well,
separate
we don't know
things.
they're connected.
They're like a salt and
they're-
pepper shaker.
They're not. There you go.
That's what I'm thinking.
Okay, let's just.
Side note, salt and pepper shakers. I got a cute set of salt and pepper shakers. I bought them a couple years ago, but they have like grapes or something on them. And it's in a little basket. They're so cute.
Look at that.
It was what I said it was.
It is.
Not salt and pepper shakers, though.
Nope. It is 103. Looks like 103 yards of cotton.
Here, let me hold it. Hang on a second.
I was trying to find out what kind of thread
Right
it is.
here, and I can read it. Cotton 502, 1,400 yards.
103 is the number. I mean, 1,003 is the number.
1,003 cotton, and it's 2023, 10,
Maybe
12,
they put the
2023.
date. Yeah.
I don't know. Does
No,
it
I'm
expire?
saying October 12th.
Does-
I don't know. I didn't realize
does
it
thread
expired.
expire?
So it's a no-name brand because I don't know who makes this thread. I don't
Maybe
know.
once you open it and take the one sticker off, it's kind of like
I
another
don't know.
sticker
Can you
underneath.
even read that? Ugh,
No,
probably
can you
not.
read it from here? No.
Nope, I can't read it from here. Huh,
No.
I don't know.
But I was right
Okay,
the
we'll
first
have to
time when
try it
I said
out.
it felt like a spool of thread. She's like, and then when I
Didn't
said
feel
it was
like a
two-
spool I had built. That's the problem.
Oh,
That's the problem. Okay, next. Your turn. The envelope, please.
get it? Envelope? Anyway, this is number 11.
I'm going to guess it's a card.
Is it a thank you card?
I don't
Is
know.
it a Merry Christmas card? Is it...
I don't know.
I don't know, but I don't want to open the card because it's kind of nice. The envelope. I don't want to open the card. I don't want to open the envelope. But it's glued. It's not folded.
Okay.
Okay, and it says 2 quilt patterns of your choice. Cluck, cluck, sew. Use the coupon code for a $20 credit to cluckclucksewshop.com. This coupon expires January 14th of next year. All right.
That's it.
Okay. Just a little card.
And now number 12 is a great big huge box. Number 12.
Wait.
Okay.
I didn't pick it up. Is it breakable? Because, I mean...
No, we're not even going to go there.
Yeah,
'cause-
no, we're not squeezing anything, throwing anything.
Thank goodness we didn't break anything.
I know. I got lucky because, all both squishing on it and me tossing it in the air.
Okay.
With a box like this, you know what it makes me think of?
What?
Does everybody know?
Candles?
No.
Oh,
Candles. You got a candle.
I know, but that's what maybe you asked what we thought about.
That makes me think of a cup. A
Okay. A cup. A
cup.
cold cup.
Not a cup, but a cup.
It is a cup.
Oh, I was right.
Oh, and a straw. There you go.
Ooh.
There you have it.
The Ginger Quilter. The big pink cup. Who likes the color pink? Put that back. Put that back. Who likes pink?
I like pink.
In the room.
Everybody.
And me,
Everybody
I
likes
have
pink.
I have to take a clear bag to work, but my bag, the handles and everything is pink. So I bought a pink, I'm not going to say where, but I bought a pink cup that when you shut the lid and when the lid shuts and you snap it, it does not spill. All their cups are made that way.
Ooh.
And that's why I can carry it to work because I can put coffee and just shove it in the bag. And I have tested it. I've
Well,
seen
those cups are really good then if they don't leak like that.
Yep, it's
Because
perfect
9
for
times
me.
out of 10 it leaks in your purse or your bag.
Yeah,
Never
these
put it in your
do
purse.
not. And they come in different sizes. I have 2 different sizes. I have the coffee, like the little 12 or 16 ounce coffee size. And then I have the very tall one, similar to this, not quite the same shape. And it has a handle and, but it's not a Yeti. It's not a, I'm trying to think something else, like a Hydro Flask, nothing like that. It's not going to keep your coffee hot all day long, but it keeps it hot for a good 4 hours. So I like them.
That's not bad.
Yeah.
Okay, but I hope everybody...
Where was I going with this? Oh, the color pink. Who likes the color pink? Me.
Yeah.
I mean, I like purple. Purple's my color, but I have a hard time finding a lot of stuff in purple. But ever since the Barbie movie came out, pink has been everywhere. So I've been getting a lot of pink stuff, and I just take all the pink stuff to work. That was all. Sorry. So I like both, pink and purple.
Okay. Now maybe next year we'll do the 12 days of Christmas of something I like in the sewing room or you like, and we'll just show them. How's that? That sounds pretty good. And then we'll give one of those away, whatever it is. In other words, whatever we like is our favorite thing in the sewing room. I'll have one.
But you can't have her. Sorry, she's all mine. That's my favorite thing in the sewing room.
You're so sweet. You know, I'm not going to pay her later.
That's terrible. I was being sincere and everything, and you just make a joke.
I'm sorry. It just came out.
That's right. I'm just taking this home with me. Because she hurt my feelings so much that she's got to make up for it.
I don't think I hurt your feelings.
A little bit.
Oh, if it'll make you happy for what I just said, you can take the cup.
Thank you.
Oh, you guys. Oh, y'all have been so much fun. But what I was going to say is that maybe next year, throughout the year, I'll find out what I like to use as tools or fabric or whatever. I'll buy a duplicate, and then I'll do the unboxing of what I like, and then I'll turn around and I'll end up giving it to my subscribers. How does that sound? Okay.
Is it just geared, is it all sewing stuff, or is it like, you mean like notions or?
Whatever that has to do with sewing.
Oh, okay.
It can be a little notepad, anything.
Oh.
Yeah.
All right.
Okay.
Fancy. Okay. I like it.
You want to give up that little turntable?
What is it? Giving up the turntable for the cup? Is that what it is? I gotta do one for
next year.
Oh. Oh, yeah, that'd be a good idea. You can keep it in the room here.
It's one of, now she gets it. It's one of my favorite things. I thought you that way.
I can donate to the cause.
I don't need you to donate to the cause. I'll get it.
Just end the cup. Oh my God.
She's gonna run away in a minute and get right off the camera.
I'll be like, what is it? The Flash.
Okay, thanks everybody for watching. I really enjoyed doing this opening for you. It's probably not going to be what you thought it was. I'm going to try to make it every other day, but it's not every single one throughout the whole month. Maybe I'll skip a day or two. Who knows?
All right, can I ask a question real quick?
Yeah, ask it.
So, what is your favorite holiday movie?
Oh my gosh, I don't know. Why didn't you ask me that before so I could think about it a day or two?
You need a day or two to think? I have two. I have two favorite holiday movies that I watch
every year.
Even, and sometimes not at Christmas either.
Okay, let's hear them.
Well, because I the National Lampoon's Christmas Vacation, of course. Love that show.
Yes.
Love that movie. And then my favorite, and it's not a...
You're not going to say Die Hard, are you?
Die Hard is not a Christmas movie. That's like saying Lethal Weapon is a Christmas movie because it starts out with Jingle Bell Rock. I mean, come on. No, it's an actual Christmas movie. Why do people argue about Die Hard?
I just thought that's what you
were going to say. No, it's not.
They think it is out of work, but we're going to just go on.
Show them this video.
Okay, go ahead.
Sorry, no. Wrong. A White Christmas with Bing Crosby.
Yeah, that's nice too.
And
I like the one with that lady that, and I don't know the name of it. The word holidays in is all I know. It's super duper. I know that's like.
Like my favorite movie? What? It has dogs in the title. That
It's like 50% off.
right? Like all of the movies.
All right, let me explain it. I know somebody's watched it.
It's probably the name of its holiday.
Okay, so I don't remember the actress.
Is it an old movie or
no, it's
semi-current?
Old.
Very old,
it's
black
old.
and white, or
No, it's color.
Okay.
Okay, she's like a Martha Stewart. She did a
know what the
cooking.
movie is,
See,
too.
but I don't know the name of it. She did a cooking show, but the woman has never cooked in her life. And because at Christmas time they wanted to be family oriented, of course she's not married. She has no children, so they try to rent her a husband and rent her a child. Do you remember it?
Yes, I know the movie, and I've told you the name of this movie, and I can't remember the name of the movie.
Okay, so another good one that I like.
Holiday in Vermont? Isn't that what that's called?
I don't know.
I think
I was thinking Connecticut.
Oh, that's it. Connecticut.
Okay, so I like that one too, but I can't think of who the actress is.
Didn't she play in Miracle on 34th Street as the mother? Maybe.
I don't know.
No, that's not her.
I don't know. That one I like. I haven't seen it in a long, long time.
Sorry.
And then the other one that I like is it's the lady, and I can't think of her name either. That she was a high-powered executive, and she was trying to make partnership, and she wanted to get out of town. She bought a place unseen, great big huge house. When she got there, it had all kinds of problems, and every time the person that was the handyman, and you might remember this one. So when the handyman come out, he was the same guy to do everything. He did the plumbing, he did the electric, he did everything that she had that was falling apart on this old house. He was coming out to fix. It was slowly eating her savings. I can't remember that movie either.
I don't know that one at all.
Mm-mm.
Okay,
And I think, hold on, if it's the same movie, I believe it's, she ended up getting, it was either a niece, I think. Somebody died in their family, and they literally gave her a baby, and that's what made her decide to get the house.
Oh.
She ended up, and she was also not married. And
Is this an old movie too?
And when yep, it's way back there. And when she got knocked out, she was outside doing something and got knocked out, and she come to, and she was on a table. She thought she was in a hospital, and she was actually at the vet on a table. And the guy that was treating her was a vet. So it's a really cute movie, but I can't remember the name of that one either.
I don't know that
so
one,
maybe
sorry.
you guys can remember those movies, and then we can get the name of it. I can watch them again.
So it's not Holiday in Connecticut.
Okay.
It is Christmas in Connecticut.
Oh.
And the woman is Barbara Stanwyck.
Oh, there you go.
Way
That's-
off there.
Okay, so that's like a long time ago.
Yeah.
Okay.
Well,
she was
movie
young
was
back then.
what? 1945. So that was before
really?
your time, and
Well, before I was born, but I still liked a good movie back then. Doesn't make any difference.
well, I don't know when mine was, but
Oh, okay.
it's an old movie. It's before my time, because I mean we're talking about these were all musicals, and I love Christmas musicals.
Yeah.
Oh, love them.
Okay, so I guess we better end the video.
That's all.
We've had so much fun, you guys. Thank you
So,
very much. Oh, go
But
ahead.
before you go, tell us your favorite Christmas
I
movie.
don't know it. I like both of those two.
Oh, not you, the audience.
Oh, yeah, the audience, definitely. Well, we want to hear what theirs is.
I wanna
Maybe
know
it's the
what
same as
your
ours.
favorite Christmas movie is.
And we hope it's not Groundhog Day. Although, it's a good one. The,
Home Alone.
no, not Home Alone.
Home Alone 2.
No, the first one
Home
that you
Alone
the first one you mentioned. Gosh.
So sorry. The National Lampoon Christmas Vacation.
Yeah.
Now, you know they have.
Oh, no, the Cranks is pretty good, too.
Oh, yeah, no.
That's a really good one, yeah.
It's a cute movie.
We could probably sit and talk about it all the time. This is why we can't do lives, because we'd never get off the air.
Yeah,
We'd all be going back and forth with all of our movies that we like.
There's somebody out at work, and I said, I made the comment about Christmas. You know, it was December 1st, and I said officially this is it's Christmas season because December 1st, 25 days or whatever till Christmas, and I was going to start wearing my Christmas T-shirts to work, right? And this person made the comment that, bah humbug, he said he was the Grinch and that he didn't do Christmas, not that he didn't do it, but he didn't care for it. And he said, and especially the Christmas songs. I was like, oh, the Christmas songs. I said, those are the best part.
He's sacramental.
I know.
Sacramental?
Sacrilegious. Anyway, so I was like, and then of course today I worked my 4-hour shift, and that's all I was doing. I was singing Christmas carols,
songs,
all 4 hours, and I couldn't remember all the words of 12 Days of Christmas, and I was like, this is sad.
Well, if you sit down and sing it one time through, you'll have it memorized.
Yeah, but I have to start with But
Please don't tell me 5 golden rings. Well, that doesn't take care of the others.
I mean, we all know Partridge in a Pear Tree is the first one, and then I went to 3 and I couldn't remember, so I jumped to 5, and then oh yeah, blah, 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 blah. But then after 5, I can't remember like 7 or 8 or something. I was like, oh, me too.
Oh my gosh.
It's bad.
All right, when the video's over, we'll go over that song.
That'll be
Okay.
my homework for today.
All right. Thanks again, everybody, for watching. You guys have a wonderful Christmas, okay?
Yes, have a
Take
great
care.
Christmas.
Bye-bye.
Bye.